Hello everyone. In this video I am going to teach you how to edit vertical videos in a very simple way with iMovie. As I'm sure you already know, iMovie is an Apple tool that helps us edit videos in an easy and simple way, but many people find the handicap or disadvantage that it will only allow us to edit videos horizontally and that it is not possible, in a very simple or accessible way, to edit the videos vertically. I mean that, for example, in a normal way, if we go to iMovie, we are going to create a new project and select Film, which is where we have to edit the videos directly. By default it will generate a horizontal video and no option up here will allow us to change it to vertical. In fact, so that you can see an example, if here we import two contents, one horizontally for example and another vertically, we import them and as you will see, if we put the horizontal one it looks perfect, we can edit it without any type of problem, but if what we put in the editing line is the vertical one, then as you can see it does not make the vertical cut but instead embeds the video within the horizontal one, which leaves us with two black stripes on the sides and prevents us from creating videos optimal for example, TikTok, YouTube Shorts or Instagram Reels. In fact, it is true that there are some ways to do it but they are a bit bizarre. For example, one of them is the vertical video. Here we turn it to one side, we get it to remain in full screen and then once it is rendered, with another program we raise it again and put it vertically so it can be done. But what happens? It is not completely effective because things like for example the titles, if we want to add letters or some type of subtitle or title to the video, when we put it, what is believed is that we cannot give it the turn, the title cannot be turned around so it will always remain on the side when we put it straight. Therefore, this method is difficult and ineffective, but don't worry because you really don't need to do all this. There is a much simpler and much faster way to edit the videos vertically. First of all, we are going to go out again to the main project screen. We are going to delete this project that we just made that we do not want at all and from here we are going to generate a new project, but super important, we are not going to do from this tab here from this symbol where it says create new, here we are not going to click on it. To create the project so that we can edit vertically, we are going to go up to the bar up here and we are going to click where it says File. Here we are going to go down to where we find New App Preview. In principle this name it doesn't say anything at all, in fact, not normally if you see it you won't think that this is it, but well, we click on New App Preview, a window appears, it tells us here that it allows developers to present their apps. Well, we don't care much about this. We accept it and as you can see, a screen appears again that is very similar to the previous one, if not exactly the same, but deep down it is very different. We are going to carry out the same steps as before, we are going to import horizontal content and other vertical content, we already have them here and as you will see, the operation is the same. If we put the video horizontally it is edited perfectly horizontally, but if we remove this content and what we do is put content vertically, as you can see it fits perfectly, it eliminates the black sidebars and we can edit the video vertically without any problem. Now we are going to give it a title, we are going to do some rendering so that you can see it, but before doing so it is very important to tell you that for this to work, the first video that you put in the editing line has to be vertical, if not, it's not going to work for you. For example, if I want to mix these two videos and I put the horizontal video first, it becomes a horizontal video. Then when I add this second video, as you can see, it no longer makes the change but stays horizontal and takes away the side black bars as you are seeing here. But what happens if I do it the other way around? If I do it the other way around and put the vertical one first, as you can see the program automatically attaches to the vertical video and if later in the timeline I put the horizontal one, it creates a vertical video within the horizontal one. Which is why this system also it will help us to edit our horizontal videos and only take vertical parts in case, for example, we later want to adapt them, as I said before, to YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels or TikTok. Therefore we also have a double function here, we can both edit vertical videos without any problem and also extract vertical videos from horizontal videos. Now so that you can see that it works without any type of problem, once this video is vertical, we are going to give it a title. In fact, as you can see the titles also change as they are vertical titles. The same ones as before do not appear, others appear. Let's put this one, for example, and as you can see the text already appears at the bottom. it no longer appears on the side as we had seen before. We are going to make everything bigger so that it takes up the entire video line, and once we have it ready, we go here, we click on Export File. As you can see, it comes out vertically, that is, we see that the video is going to be vertical. We click on Next, then we save on the desktop. And nothing, after waiting a few seconds, well, we would already have it. We simply go here to the desktop and click on Preview 3, which is the video that we have created, and as you can see, it has without any problem generated a vertical video with the title also in vertical, so we do not have any type of problem in this case to edit vertical videos. Well guys, this is where the video ends. As you can see, it has been a simple process, but it can actually make working with iMovie a lot easier for you, being able to make vertical videos in a very simple way. As always, if it has been useful to you, don't forget to leave me a like, which is super important, as well as subscribe to the channel and hit the bell so you don't miss anything. For my part, nothing more. As always, a pleasure, and until the next video.